But you know what? I'm gonna do that the way it is. And from here to about here, cut that out over here. Go check on my pizza right quick. Hold on, be right back. Okay, it ain't done yet. So I'll probably check it again in another 5 minutes. Let me look at my phone, see what time it is. Because I had to make me some pizza right quick. Okay, I'm gonna set a little alarm because I don't want to forget. Get started and then burn the pizza up sitting here. 6. It should be done about. Let's see. It should definitely be done by then. So I'll give myself maybe 7 more minutes, and then I'll take my pizza out. Get my clips. How's everybody doing? I did play with the angles a little bit and switch them up. I'm trying to move over some. Oh no, is this good? I did have it over here yesterday. I can turn it this way. That might be better. Okay. So let me measure this again. Here. It should be good. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure my other one out right quick. So I can just get. both sides. 9 inches. Up a little bit. Just that part. What's up, Mike? What's going on? Stop and get me a piece of pizza. That's what I'm out to do. Oh, no problem. I know life out here lifing, and everything keep on rolling. I know how that go. Swamped with a whole bunch of incompetent drivers. Listen, I just finished saying I had to come home because it started raining. They can't even drive when it's dry on the road. So I was like, well, time to go in. Soon as I see it start sprinkling, they do not know how to slow down. Everybody, like I said, all the time, people just they racing to the next red light. It's crazy to me. It's so crazy. And that's at this point, driving is just out. It's just ghetto and out. It's overrated. Having a driver's license, it really is. It really is. And it's just crazy, like the type of human error due to all types of, whatever they got going on when they driving, and it's just crazy. Like, I see them every day, and I'm like, you know what? Let me hurry up and go. Gotta check the temperature. I mean, they ate the food every day, but I check the temperature out there driving. When they get there, I said, "Oh, time to go back in the house." Then you got to pair that with going in the store and dealing with people and being around. It's some days, honey. It's just crazy. Just craziness. I think at this point they're gonna have to start giving mental health evaluations on some of the drivers, cause it ain't funny, but it's for real. So that's that. I'm going to give me a doggone piece of pizza right quick. It's the humidity back.